Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone not charging issue. Without wasting any time, let's start it. Solution number 1. Clean charging port. One of the main reasons for not charging is that there is dust in the charging port, which is why it's not charging. Clean the charging port with toothpick or brush. Solution number 2. Clean charging cable. Clean your charging cable connector with a cloth and rub the connector to clean it and try properly and test if that works. Solution number 3. Overheating issue. Remove iPhone cover for a while and let's cool down. Solution number 4. Turn off your device and turn it on again. Go to settings. In settings page, click on general. Next scroll down and click on shutdown. Turn off your device and turn it on again or force to restart. If you have iPhone X, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. You can see that dead iPhone battery and not working charging cable. Solution number 5. Change charging cable and charger. Your charger and charging cable may be damaged. You can try a new charger. iPhone charge with correct charging cable until you see the Apple logo. I hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.